You want to know how someone's doing in recovery? The word on the street is, check out their fridge. Oh my. Oh, someone's living large.
They say if you want to know how someone's recovery is going, check their fridge. I think I'm going to be okay.
You know, they say that you can tell how well people are doing in recovery by taking a look at the refrigerator. So let's check mine out. Oh, let's see. Let's get it off of the photo album. Okay, let's go and look in the fridge. You know, I think it's doing pretty good if I don't even have to open the freaking door.